Hello friends, once again back to my channel. In this video you will see pinecone DIY craft ideas. Pinecones are one of the nature's most versatile and beautiful gifts, often used in a wide variety of arts and crafts. Their unique shape, earthy texture and rustic charm make them a favorite material for both seasonal and year-round decorations. Whether collected from the forest floor or purchased from a craft store, pine cones offer a timeless appeal and are incredibly adaptable to many different creative applications. Each pine cone carries its own character with the variations in size, color and pattern, allowing for endless inspiration and possibilities. When using pine cones for crafting, the first step is usually to clean and prepare them. This involves removing any dirt, debris, or insects that may be hiding in the crevices. Typically, this is done by soaking the pine cones in a vinegar water solution, followed by a baking process in the oven to fully dry and open them. Once cleaned, they are ready to be used in their natural state or painted, glittered, and embellished with various materials like beads, ribbons, fabric, or even aromatic oils. Crafters love pine cones for their sturdiness and natural resilience, which make them ideal for both delicate and more durable projects. They adhere well with hot glue, and their structure allows them to be easily combined with other materials such as twine, wood, wire, or metal. Their natural form adds texture and dimension to any craft, whether the project involves wreath making, centerpiece, decorations, ornaments, or home decor. Moreover, pine cones evoke a strong sense of nature warmth and nostalgia. Their presence in crafts often brings a cozy, woodland-inspired aesthetic which is particularly popular in autumn and winter months. Yet, their appeal extends beyond the seasons. They can be transformed into elegant, rustic, whimsical, or even modern decorative elements depending how they are treated and styled. Using pine cones in crafts also encourages sustainability and eco-friendliness. Since they are biodegradable and renewable, many eco-conscious crafters turn to them as a preferred medium over plastic-based materials. Additionally, involving children and families in pine cone-based crafts fosters creativity and a connection to nature, making the crafting process both educational and enjoyable. From their gathering to the final touches of a finished piece, pine cones offer a rich hands-on crafting experience. They remind us of the beauty in simple, natural elements and the satisfaction of transforming something ordinary into something meaningful and beautiful through imagination and creativity. These are very easy to make. You should try at home once. And if you like this video, then press the like button and press the share button to your friend and share this video to your friends. I really hope that you really like all the ideas that I shared with you in this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.